Pentair Automation. How to change automated valves from pool mode to spa mode. In pool mode, we should see the water coming from the pool main drain or skimmer and returning back to the pool jets and the spa jets, where the spa is overflowing into the pool. Next, we're going to open up our automation board. You can see it says pool. We're going to click it and it should say spa. Immediately our valves will start turning, heater will turn on, and we're shutting off the suction from the pool. And shutting off the returns to the pool and only returning to the spa. Now you should only see the jets moving in your spa at this point once the valves stop. The pool would be still. To turn it back, we're going to press the V till it says pool. You should automatically see your valves turning and your heater should turn off if it's not set to run in pool mode. Now that it's in pool mode, we should see the waterfall flowing over into the pool and the pool jets moving. Review. The V is going to turn on our valves to change it from pool mode to spa mode. Always look at your valves to see if they're turning in the correct direction. If not, adjust switch on back of valve. This switch has to be manually turned, so as long as your pool is set up correctly, you should never have to adjust the switch. It will move it in the opposite direction. If this video brought you value, please leave a comment or share with a friend. We really appreciate it.